What's going on, guys? I'm back from Hawaii, back in the hot seat and trading today. If you guys haven't already, tune in tomorrow morning 9 a.m. We did it live this morning at 9 a.m., but I'll be doing it tomorrow morning 9 a.m. day trading, talking about stocks, what are hot, what I'm looking at, all that fun stuff. I'm going to recap what went down this morning and talk about kind of some of the trades from the day, so stay tuned. You know, after being on vacation for a while, I got back in here. I got a little hot-headed. I thought I might have some big trades. I really wanted to end the month on a big bang and ended up trading CIEN this morning. Kind of this is the frustrating one for the day. And CIEN, you can see this morning, it gapped down from that 24 area all the way down here to 21. I was kind of watching it. 8 o'clock rolled around. I was like, okay, I'm going to wait, give some time. It got back up here to this resistance here at that 2250 area. I was looking to go short there. Ended up going short here at 22.45 there. Got another 100 shares there at 22.58. Thought we might get that pullback from there and head lower, but ended up getting this spike up to that $23 area. Should have gave a little more time. You can see it went down to 21.47 after that. So ended up losing out on this trade. Got long actually at one point, made a little bit there, and then tried to short it here again at open. Really just kind of frustrating. It broke through this $22 support. Got a little bit of a pop down. I was up, you know, $100 at one point. Ended up getting squeezed out of it. Got back into the 22.25 area, and then up there at 22.30, and then finally selling off all the way down here at 21.40. Ended up going short on this little pop here, 21.58 with small size, only 300 shares, and got a little bit of a pop down there to 21.40. So I ended up making a little bit of money there on CIEN. Taking too big of a size at first, should have sized in a little bit slower. Should have shorted this one. You know, pre-market gave a little more time, shorted this one. Got some nice size there, and then finally waited for that drop, but it didn't work out like that. So CIEN kind of screwing me up. And then another trade, really just kind of frustrating one, SCVL this morning. I ended up going short here at $19. Thought we might get a bit of a pullback to 1850 area, which we did, but then I got kind of greedy and it just got boom, popped right up there to 1950 at open and ended up stopping out there at 1950. So only 200 shares there, 192 shares, so it wasn't that big of a deal. And then you can see here, it got up that 2038 area, and then finally pulled back here. Ended up going short on this candle there at 1955. Once it broke down and had a lot of resistance there, ended up going short there at 1955, and then covered there at 1922. So I made back the money that I lost in this trade and then some. So it worked out, but overall, SCVL had good earnings. Actually, you can see now it's up there to $21 area. So kind of frustrating. Probably should have stayed away from that one. Had good news. Shouldn't have traded it. Normally I don't short stocks that have good news unless they just have some crazy news and it's just going crazy and popping higher. But you can see CIEN back up there to 21.80 now. Another stock that we traded was VII. Got in here at the break of 64, double top there. Ended up taking profit there at the 68 cent area. It got out there to 70 cents and just got greedy again. So I think overall in the day I was just kind of greedy, kind of forcing some trades, trying to have some big wins. Last day of the month, I was trying to get that $500, $800 a day, maybe $1,000 a day was kind of the goal. And that's kind of where I screwed myself. When I was kind of aiming too high, put the pressure on myself, didn't take profit fast enough, didn't cut my losses fast enough. So ended up in the red on the day. I'm actually breaking even when you look at that. When you actually look at the trades themselves, I broke even there. Losing $100 not a big deal. And you can see IPXL, kind of the same setup. Ended up shorting this one, got squeezed. I thought we might get the breakdown there of a trend, and then it ended up going higher. Ended up shorting here. Thought we might get this break down through the 200, down through the 20 there. You know, back down to the 2080 area, through the $21 area. Just couldn't get it there. Got filled there at 21.15. Ended up covering there at 21.25. So 10-cent cover there. Ended up going long actually. 21.35 going long, covering there at 21.50. So you can see kind of looking for this trend to break down. Just couldn't break there, and got some support. Ended up squeezing higher. And then shorted it one more time here on this little pop there at 21.25. Got down there to the $21 area. Just could not break through it. And you can see not breaking through it. Ended up covering there for a quick 15 cents at 21.20. At 21.10. So IPXL kind of working out a little bit. Had a couple trades on it. But overall, just felt like I was forcing some trades. I feel like I did my best. You know, had some good trades. Kind of forcing CIEN. Could have been a big winner of the day. Could have been $1, $2 winner there on CIEN if I would just held, would have just really, you know, I think sized in a little bit differently. If I would have sized in smaller at first and kind of gave it some time there, CIEN kind of shorting there pre-market. You know, if I grabbed 100 shares there, Grabbed 100 shares there. Gave myself some wiggle room, and that would have been a little bit better. And then I could have taken this profit down here to 21.30 area. You know, hindsight's always 20/20. It's easy to say I could have done things differently, but in the moment, when it's happening, when the emotion's there, once the money's on the line, can you decide to do the right thing? And I feel like I did pretty good. I protected the profits for the month, you know, only down $100 on the day after commissions. Not a big deal. On that note, I'm done for the day. I just got back from Hawaii. I got a million things I gotta do. I gotta clean, I gotta pack up, I gotta do laundry, all that fun stuff. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., last day of the week, first day of the month. So there should be some fun stuff tomorrow morning. So tune in here, 9 a.m. on the channel. We'll be doing it live. Talk to you guys later.